Hey guys, Thomas with Thomas Outdoorsman, and got a question for you. You want to feel like a kid again? Just have fun without breaking the bank? Alright, I got something for you. And here it is. The Ruger Wrangler. Just picked it up yesterday. Couldn't help myself when I saw it. Alright, what is it? Well, it is a 22 long rifle revolver. Look at this beauty. What can I say? That's why I had to buy it. It's single action, 6 rounds. It makes you feel like a kid again. Especially when you hear this. It's got a nice trigger on it. Don't know exact poundage. 4.25 inch barrel. And it's side loaded. Just open up. Rotate your cylinder. And put your rounds in. To clear it, after you shot it, get the shells out. Just line it up like that. And push the ejector pin. And it comes out like that. Hopefully you can see that. Comes out on the side. Nice and easy. Alright, so to take the cylinder out, simple process, alright? There's a little lever here that you push in. See if I can do it like this. Pull the rod out. Alright, once you've done that, just push the cylinder out and the cylinder comes out. To put it back, just insert the cylinder and the pin, just line it up, push this little switch on the side and then push it in and you're done. So since it's single action, gotta cock the hammer every single time. But that's what makes it fun. You're gonna feel like a kid. You're gonna feel like you're in the middle of the Western. I've seen these go for $179.99 up to $219. What I've seen. Now, and this is for the matte and black one. There's also a bronze one. Retail, that's higher. I've seen it for $249. Not sure if it's worth the bronze for $50 extra. Alright, so I thought I was going to show it to you. I haven't shot it, like I said, just picked it up yesterday. But it's going to be fun. It's also something that I bought so my kids can use it, the whole family can use it. Like I said, it's a 22 long rifle, so it's not going to break your bank, especially during these times if you're going to go out and think. Let me know what you think, guys, and see you later.